Nawash, and that's also called Cape Croker, and that's just along the peninsula, about 45 minutes from Mount Sound.
I was actually born in Iqaluit, Nunavut, in the Northwest Territories.
So I'm from Nigsahchawin Anishinaabe Nation, located near Kenora, Ontario.
And I'm from Nation Chippewas of Nawash.
So a lot of the hobbies that I have is going out foraging into the woods, building my own gardens to use the herbs at home, and a lot of that relates to what we're doing here is getting back to the...
One of my most favorite things is getting to work, putting the labor in, and seeing what many hands as a team can do.
My favorite parts of the internship is just everyone working together as one big team.
The garden was extremely tough work, but it was really rewarding seeing as we built a beautiful garden from nothing but a plot of land.
I always tell my young apprentices or anything like that that the plate is sort of an empty canvas, and you can be as artistic, as creative as you want on the plate. A lot of people just plate on sort of ceramic plates, or you get more creative if you want. You can plate on a wood plate, you can get boxes made, you can plate on rocks, you can do so much more than just... So I bring a lot of my culture to the table by using the forage ingredients, a lot of the ingredients that we've grown ourselves. Just getting back to living off the land and incorporating that into a lot of the dishes that we use in the tasting menu. My favorite recipe to make right now on my menu is sort of a signature dish, and on the bottom it's an Ojibwe bannock that we've modernized and we've cooked in the wood fire oven, and then on top is a cured piece of either rainbow trout or salmon straight from local around here, and then it's topped with some whipped cream and then just some herbs from our garden.
I enjoy making the sourdough bread.
Probably the ravioli. I know that pasta isn't quite super Indigenous, but you can put Indigenous ingredients in there and make it a twist however you like it. I think in the future I'd like to arrange muskox meat in there, flavor it with some marjoram.
I thought it was really interesting learning new techniques in the kitchen, because when I cook, I don't really pay attention to techniques that much. I just kind of do what I want and hope it turns out.
So what we're doing here is getting back to the land, showcasing the herbs, showcasing the foraging, and then putting that in practical use.